In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Proton Drive via your Chrome browser, making sure you can manage your files safely and securely. Let's dive right in. To get started, make sure your Chrome browser is open and you're logged into your Proton Mail account. If you haven't logged in yet, just go to the Proton Mail website and enter your login credentials. This ensures that you have seamless access to all the Proton services you might need. Once you're logged in, shift your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you will see either the Proton icon or a menu button, depending on your current view. Click on this icon or button to open the app launcher. This launcher is essentially your portal to all the various Proton services available to you. It's a convenient way to stay organized and ensure that you're navigating through Proton's suite of products smoothly. After opening the app launcher, you'll be greeted by a list of different Proton services. You're looking for Proton Drive among these options. Click on Proton Drive, and your browser will automatically open a new tab for this service. Proton Drive is Proton's secure cloud storage solution designed to give you peace of mind knowing your files are stored with end-to-end encryption. Now that Proton Drive has opened in a new tab, let's explore the key features and functionalities you'll have at your fingertips. Here, you can upload your files by clicking on the Upload button or simply dragging and dropping files into the window. It's all about making sure your important documents, photos, or any other type of files are safely stored in the cloud. You can take advantage of Proton's well-known security measures, ensuring your personal data remains personal. Once your files are uploaded, organizing them is a breeze. You can create folders to enhance your file structure, rename items for easy identification, and even move files between folders to keep everything tidy. Proton Drive makes file management straightforward with a user-friendly interface that is both intuitive and efficient. Managing your files is not just about organization. It's about ensuring you have control over your data every step of the way. Proton Drive offers you the ability to share files with others securely. When sharing, you can set permissions that align with your preferences, maintaining strict control over who can view or edit your shared items. And there you have it. A brief guide on accessing and making the most of Proton Drive using your Chrome browser. Whether you're uploading, organizing, or managing files, Proton Drive offers a secure and user-friendly way to maintain your digital peace of mind. Don't hesitate to explore the platform further to become even more familiar with its range of features. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the security and convenience of Proton Drive.